Oh, that chicken is smelling so delicious. The colours look very vibrant. How good does that look? Hey guys, so today is the big moment. We hit that 50 subscribers last week. Today, you know what time it is. It's time for the giveaway. Proof that there is names in there. There's actually 15 in there. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but there is 15. But before I get this, I just want to say about 60% of you that view this are not subscribed. So I would say make sure you subscribe. Here we go. And the winner of the giveaway is none other than Brock Bloomer. I guess we will be making whatever Brock asked for and we'll be delivering it to his door. Thank you to all of you who commented. Really appreciate it. Hopefully you keep watching my videos and let's get into the video. Welcome back guys to another video of Jar is Moi. Today we're cooking some sweet and sour chicken. So it's week 2 of our cooking at home from school, and so this is the recipe I was given for today. The first step to our sweet and sour chicken is putting 2 cups of rice in our rice cooker with 4 cups of water. Yep. That's 2 cups. So now we just need 4 cups of water. Now we're just going to turn it on. Now it's cooking. With this recipe, we're going to have 4 vegetables or 5. These are the best vegetables I reckon. Some chives, carrot, red capsicum, and a massive bit of broccoli, whatever it is. So we're just going to cut that up and just place it in a bowl and set that aside. So with the chive, we're going to cut off the end, and then we're going to just thinly chop it into like little bits, and then you can like now it's all been chopped up. I'm just gonna slide it into our bowl while missing like the fruit. Now I'm going to move on to our carrot and chop both ends off. And we're just going to peel the skin off and then chop it up. You didn't really have to film this. We'll get the tricks on camera. Sit. Shake. There you go. Lie down. There you go. Wow. I'm going to chop the carrot in half. And then half this way. And then we're just going to chop it into like little strands or cubes. Actually, yeah, we'll go cubes. And then we're just going to keep it together and cut this way. The carrot is done. And now we're going to try and put it in there again. Oh, why is it always 3? Now onto the broccoli, or is it broccoli? Broccoli, the thing. And we're going to cut this massive, like, tree stalk thingy. Now I think we're just gonna like cut like those pieces off. I think that's how it works. I've never actually cut this before, so just like cut them off and then like, I don't know, like that, I guess. Added the broccoli. Now we're just gonna move on to the red capsicum. How do I cut this? Okay, we're gonna chop off the end like that. Now we're just gonna open it up and we're just gonna cut out this middle bit. I'm gonna grab a bit of the capsicum and just like slice it into like little thin bits like this. And then we're just gonna get it into nice little cubes. Now we've got all our vegetables done. Move on to the chicken with a different knife and chopping board. Now for the chicken, I'm using some thigh fillet, 500 grams of it. We're just going to dice our chicken up into little cubes about yay big and just chuck it in a bowl there. Finished chopping my chicken, and after chopping the chicken, make sure you wash your hands, which I've already done. We're gonna grab our chicken and some olive oil and take them outside to the wok. I've also grabbed another bowl to put our chicken in after we're done, and a wooden spoon to mix it in. I'm just gonna add some olive oil to the wok and just mix it around and make sure the wok gets all oiled up. We're also going to do our chicken in batches of thirds, so 1/3 at a time. After it has been cooked, we're going to put it into another bowl. Now I'm going to add 1/3 of it into the bowl. Now we're going to grab our cooked chicken out and place it out into another bowl. Now I'm going to take the rest of my chicken out and put it into my bowl. We need 1 tablespoon of corn flour. We also need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup water, 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of tomato sauce. Just give that a nice stir real quick. I also need pineapple juice, just a 425 gram can, and we're going to drain the juice. Going to pour that into our mixture and mix that all in. We're going to add our veggies now to that. And now I'm going to add my sauce. Also going to add our cooked chicken back into there and stir that all around. Starting to come together as one. Rice has been cooked. Well, that's actually really cool. Gonna grab some of the rice. Grab some of our rice in the bowl. Grab a bit of everything from our sweet and sour chicken. How good does that look? Just gonna sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds on top, make it look aesthetically pleasing. Grab a fork in there, and you have your sweet and sour chicken. Time to taste that. Hot. Mmm. Oh, that is good. Sweet and sour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Hope you guys make it as well. It's really good. And peace out. See you next time.